Good morning, everyone. It's now Vlogmas day 11. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys soon because I'm already on my way to work and I'm almost late. So I will see you guys soon. Bye. I am now at work. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to mark some papers and edit Vlogmas 10 because I did not get a chance to edit that video. So I'm going to edit that while I'm marking some papers. So I will see you guys soon. Now I'm going home, so I will see you guys there. Before I go, I must say that, can you believe it that I made it to, or we made it to day 11. Every day for the past 10 days I've been posting videos for you guys. I may not be able to do much right now because I'm still working. School ends next week and I have classes also, so sometime next week we'll be on the road doing a lot of things. So subscribe, hit the bell for more videos. It's gonna be a wonderful Christmas. Hi. Today I'm going to show you some of the art supplies that I own. Behind me here is the box that I keep majority of my art supplies. I'm going to show you a few of them, and it may seem like a lot now or just junk, but for artists, I feel that most artists, they keep a supply of things that they think they will need at a later date. So that's me. So I'm basically an art hoarder. I keep things that I think I probably would need for an art project or find use for it later on in the future. This box here, when I first got this box, I wanted to decorate it and spray paint it and make it presentable, but at that time I only had one spray paint, and over the years my collection built, my spray paint collection built, but I did not get the chance to spray paint or paint this box, so it's left as is. Alright, so first what I have here is my pencils, my pens, my markers, my drawing pencils, etc. So I'm going to take them out and show them to you. Markers. So in this I keep all my sharpeners, and why I keep the shavings is because I feel as if one day I'm going to use it, and I have used it before to make like textures. That is why I keep my shavings sometimes. In here I have all my drawing pencils. The oldest drawing pencil is from age 9. Some of these pencils are from high school and I still have them. So my mechanical pencils, as you can see. Alright, pencil case. In here I have some regular pencils. In here I have all my pens. These are my watercolor crayons, watercolor pencils. These are all my reading pens. These are my Crayola pencil crayons. In this can I have all my watercolor paints from college. These are some of the paints that I use for larger works, and it goes down, it's about 3 of them stacked on each other. In this is my oil paints from college. These are just empty cans just in case I need to mix a color on. All this section here, 1, 2, 3, are cans, either empty cans, paints for larger works, oil paints, or my watercolor paints in that can here. In this bag here, I have a tarpaulin, I have cords, ribbons, ropes, wires. So whenever I need like a cord or a ribbon or rope or strings or cloth or mesh, lace, I have these. For this here are my fruits for my still life, drawings. So what I do, I buy some fake fruits because they last longer, and I use them for still life. You have banana, mango, peach, somebody took a bite. Yeah, so all these are my fruits for still life drawings. In here I have anything that has to do with sewing. Alright. In here, in this bag here, in this bag here I have a lot of construction papers, small cartridge papers, scrap cartridge papers in here. In this bag here, so glue, crazy glue, tape, hot glue gun. Over here on this section here, I keep empty toilet paper rolls for artworks. I've used some before for projects and so on. These are egg cartons. Sometimes I use them for pallets. Keep these if students need them, or if I need them, or even to make artworks. I use these sometimes, so I store these. Here in this bag here I have glass, literally glass that can break. It was a project that I did in college and it was very expensive, so I decided not to throw these away. I'm gonna find use for them someday, so I keep these glass. In here I have aprons, plastic aprons. It was from one of my college projects. This doll, I use it for still life. Okay. And in this bag I have like my heavy duty things, sharp things, pointy things in this bag here. So I have my scissors, my paper scissors, stencil knife, a lot of stencil knife blades, paper puncher or paper punch. This can use to tear paper. I have my staple gun, my puncher. Here I have these from around primary school, so all the geometry set things that I ever bought, it's in here. I have my stapler, tacks, put them in this so it can't stick anybody. These are screws, etc. Paper clips. In here I have some old magazines for when I'm making like paper jewelry or cutouts for mixed media, get ideas, inspiration, etc. is in this bag here. To mention, I collect these. Around the back here is my meter stick, old drawings, cartridge paper, wood to make canvas. Over on this side is my cartridge paper. Here, this box here. In this box I have my mini canvases, my small sketch pad, some foam, my canvas again, larger size. In this box here that you're seeing are my paint brushes, some Indian ink, things I can use to drip white out. Small containers is in this box here, this bag here. I have my paints here. I have my spray paints. I have my acrylic paints on this side. And mini easel. I have some bubble wrap to make like textures. I also have toothbrushes for splattering technique. I have my palette knife. This can also use to mix paint. I have salt for salt technique. So these are a few of the items that you need, few of the art supplies that you need when you're creating an artwork. In here I have all my, what do you call this, fudge sticks. In here I have my animals for still life, for references, real life references. So in here I have a zebra, some wires, a car, some sauce-thing, lighter, tiger, rabbit, crocodile, snake, bear, tree, leaves, balloon, car is in this bag here. I have a lot of beads, some clear bags, block for still life, for clips. Yes, in here I have paper clips, mini clothespins, balloons again, my feathers, some knick-knack, pallywhack, get rid of a bone, garbage bag, a container, match, lace, things that you use to blow up balloon, a neat box. I don't know what I'm doing with this. I have my card packs, and this I have from about grade 9 for block printing. Okay, so now that you've seen all my art supplies, I hope you find some inspiration on what you need to store upon, what you need to get, how you can separate your items. Again for watching. Love you guys. Later. See you tomorrow.